Thank you for joining again. Today I am giving walkthrough on reconciliation module. It is very simple and powerful AI agent. We know data management can be a nightmare, messy formats, broken lookups, and massive data silos. That is why we built this module powered by Smart AI Agent. It goes way beyond basic reconciliation. It is your single engine for data lineage, cross-referencing, and data integration testing as well. Whether you use Swift, fixed protocol, JSON, XML, CSV, it just works. You can connect up to 5 or 6 systems at once, like tracking data from office to compliance, auditing dev to prod, pull data instantly from databases, FTPs, APIs, CRM, etc. It is incredibly fast. Comparing 250K records, it will take less than 20 seconds to generate the full report. And before running it, you have two type of data extraction. One is through direct, you can upload a file, and the other one is the connection. So now, and the other one, like if you want to add more data set, right, C, D, E, based on your requirement, you can compare those. And after that, you have two choice. Either you want to run a standard or a copilot. The output layout. So you have export option, email, you can email to user, you can save it for end-to-end automation to run a recon. And moreover, as you come here, right, you will see the summary part. Okay, let's start with the summary part. Here are the comparison, right, which file, like which data you have done comparison. Then the unique part is the user has never given a unique key. It automatically provide a unique key and the percentage based on the analysis. So here it has identified trade ID and ISIN as a unique key. So it will provide how many rows and column from each data set, and based on the run, now you see the exception, right? So this is the extra data available in this file or data set. This is the extra data available. These are the like exception generated, like row differentiation and total number of column, and it has identified two duplicates in the, and here is a high level analysis, right? And if you want to know more about history and analytics, you can go here. So you can create your own key, or you can exclude the column which you don't want to do a comparison, so you can exclude that and rerun. It will provide a report. Yeah, this is the exception, right? It will provide a lot of details, right? The break waterfall, the top broken column in this data set, the extra row available in this other data set. Like you see, there's a like value differentiation, and one has a side, another one has a buy, right? Like that we have. And now I have showed you through the file of connector, right? This is the database. Let me connect. Okay, now just for testing purpose, I'm running, just run it. You see, instantly it has provided the, so how many data it has tested, let me check. Okay, 4000 to 1000 row, right? So it has taken only 6 to 7 seconds only. And run it and throw the exception, it will generate for your purpose, and you can save it on the save to workspace. So it will automatically automate your process. Like example, I'll like automatically run, you give your own run, right? Recon run, your name, and where, yeah, daily or weekly, hourly, how you wanted. Provide your time, okay? And you want to send an email, give the email. AI data validator. Yeah, we are done with the standard run. As we know, when there is Apple match, then we have to go directly running the recon, right? You can use AI Copilot when the data are not apple to apple. Means there is a messy data, right? And you have to figure out, like before reconciliation, you have to do a lot of cleanup activity, mapping, fuzzy matching. So I have a compliance data here. Okay, one example here is the settlement data. Let me run the AI Copilot. The summary, the exception will look like similar to standard run, but it is run through the LLM. So you will see the exception. So as we how we got this exception, right? Valid exception. Before running the recon, right? We have to make sure the user has to make sure when we do reconciliation, comparison, or finding a break, you make sure all the steps are like after that you run the you do the lookup, right? You don't go instantly lookup, correct? So example here you see one dataset has a DL ref, okay, is known as a DXN ID in the another dataset. Sin, okay, extract ISIN from the security. There is a security in one field. B/S, okay, to direct, okay, buy and sell, but other dataset has a clearly a buy and sell. And one more example here, like one has a amount, another has a unit and price, and you have to calculate and create a that particular column, right, to make a compare, find a break for that particular column. Now settlement date, like different date format you have to normalize, like is like one is having like settlement currency which we have to map with the same currency available in the another data set. Yeah, like instrument name can be case sensitive, like upper lower, like not a proper, right? And the counterpart, you see fuzzy match, like one has a counterparty, another has a short name, right? So there are multiple case will arrive before comparing every column from the two different data set. So we have to totally depend on the AI run. So these are the rules I have saved. Okay, you can edit, you can edit right here and save it. Or if you want to add one more new, so you can write here something. Yeah, so you just add it, it will come here. To define before the run, so you can ask AI. So just it will suggest few, yeah, few steps. If you feel like those are the like perfect, you see I haven't done anything, right? I have said manually that one, but here it is suggesting map instrument name to security, rename, you see. Almost it has given like everything, right, through the AI suggestion, right? You can save it and run it. Yeah, you can ask uh, the suggestion and the root cause analysis, right? You want to do, yes, user, what are the main breaks? Yeah, as a user you can talk with the AI copilot, so it will help you to provide a suggestion and recommendation based on your exception.